think there might be a slight chance of rain tonight. Not quite sure. Yeah. Forgot to unplug the charger last night. So now I am slowly charging my battery for the Jeep because it won't start. Of course. Good thing I ain't got to go nowhere right now, but still, it's besides the point. Broke my fan. Yeah. I could easily fit 2 of these skillets on here. I could fit 2 of all my cooking pots on here. The regulator system's different, and I don't really like them solid stiff arm ones. I'm afraid some can break. My little stove has a hose, a soft rubber hose, so the propane bottle can flex all around and lay where you need it. That's one plus side to my other one compared to this one. But the other one, even though there's barely any wind right now, so I wouldn't have been able to cook anything. Just the slightest wind blows a flame off of it. But it's a good stove. It's a dual fuel, so it's a butane and propane. So I'm probably going to keep it in my arsenal, just in case, because I know out in Arizona, Utah, and California, I couldn't find the propane to save my life. So I had to use butane. But butane won't work if it's below 32 degrees, so you gotta pick your battles. Lesser of two evils. This ain't the best way to do this, I know, but I forgot I ain't got no Tupperwares or plates or anything with me. Now that I'm back working a month at a time, I'm not very geared up. Not organized at all. Everything's chaos. I'm losing my mind. But you gotta let it rest. Disinfectant wipes. That's the asparagus cooking. Ooh. Ooh. So far, God is doing me a favor and pushing the storms around me. Otherwise, I'd be getting wet by now. Steaks are cooked. Resting in a Ziploc bag. See how that works out, but not very often do I cook $40 worth of steak at once. Just for me. I don't have any sort of Tupperware or anything, no plates. Huh. Didn't really think this through. Jackery's been charging the battery this whole time on the Jeep. It's pumped about 20% of the Jackery into it so far. Fingers crossed. Lord, please let it start. Otherwise, I've wasted a lot of money to keep myself from being in this situation. I think I decided while laying in there during the storms all night, I'm staying in the cab of the Jeep. I'm going to get the Thule rooftop box. Just keep everything organized up there, make more room inside, figure out how to utilize what I got better. One thing I am going to miss about my other stove is being in a carrying case. That was handy. Because if I had to hurry up and couldn't clean the stove after I got done, it was at least in a case. So I know the dirt grease wasn't getting down into where I keep it stowed away underneath. But, I mean, that very rarely happens because I'm never in a rush. That's got some jet to it. Now cleaning my stainless steel. It's pretty simple. I like to get that good and hot. Thing's been off for a minute. A few minutes actually. Ooh, still very hot. What I like about this stove too is they have a griddle top you can put on top of it. Which when I get that rooftop box, I'm definitely going to get. You can cook so many good things on a griddle. Makes life so much easier. Okay, one more. Yes, I should. Oh, we use barely any propane. That's sweet. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do that, but it made it a lot easier. A little rattly when it's closed. That's something to keep in mind. I could probably stuff a towel in there to keep everything tight. But that's the dinner. That's the Camp Chef Everest 2X. She did what I needed to do. And quite easily at that. Well, we did it. The Jackery got her charged up and fired up. 4 hits from a jump starter didn't get it, but the Jackery we got some steak and asparagus. Bed kind of made up. Now I got everything. I got to tuck everything back in there now. I can't wait. I can't wait to get that storage container for the top. That's going to change my life. And it's going to be nice. But I'm going to eat my dinner before it gets cold. It's... Oh, my watch is dead. Dang, my watch is dead. I don't know what time it is. But it's fairly early-ish still. Oh, my clock's reset on that. Sweet. Probably means all my settings are reset. Sweet. I think it's like 2. I don't know. But, yeah. The rain has started sprinkling as soon as I got done cooking, so I might have got lucky. We'll see.